Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, if you like today's weather, you can expect similar conditions for the next several days. We're still tracking a potential storm for the middle of the week. In fact, the new information coming in has it a little bit closer. We'll talk about that coming up in just a few minutes. First, though, let's look back at February. Some new statistics coming in. It was a little colder than average. The average temperature that we just went through for the month, 31 degrees. That's when averaging the high and low temperatures. And that's about 1 degree colder than normal. You may have noticed that in your gas or electric bill there. 24.3 inches of snow. That's ranked number 7th of all time Februaries. Now we move into March, and March is a month typically of big time changes. We add about 3 minutes of daylight per day on average. High temperatures start the month at around 43 for normals, and the normal high temperature by the end of the month, 53 degrees. We get more sun, and don't forget about March 10th, daylight saving time. 6:48 in the evening will be sunset, so that's something I think a lot of us looking forward to. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any precipitation right now. There is a slight chance of a few showers or snowflakes from tonight throughout the rest of the weekend, but most of the weekend will end up rain and snow free. Temperatures right now quite pleasant, 42 in Providence, Pawtucket 39 degrees, Newport at 41. Now, the one thing we did have today was a bit of a breeze, and right now those winds are coming in out of the north at 15 miles an hour, putting the wind chill at 35. So those breezes did make it feel a little bit cooler than the 40s that we reached in terms of the actual temperatures, and do expect those breezes to continue at similar speeds throughout Saturday and Sunday. Satellite pictures showing a theme for this weekend. We have precipitation all around us, but for the most part the batches of precipitation will miss us, but every once in a while we may get clipped by a few showers or a flurry, but not expecting any snow accumulations as we head through this weekend. Tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies, temperature of 30. 8 o'clock in the morning, 34, getting up into the low 40s by around noontime. And then into the afternoon, perhaps a few degrees cooler than what we saw today. And again, that breeze will be out there between about 5 and 15 miles an hour with some gusts up to around 20 at times. Northern Rhode Island temperatures, you're in the low 40s tomorrow with 41 in Burville, Cumberland 41 degrees, Johnston at 44. And here in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the low 40s with that breeze out of the north. 7-day Futurecast shows I don't actually have any raindrops or snowflakes, but keep in mind that slight chance is there, especially tomorrow night into Sunday, where we have about a 20% chance of seeing some precipitation. I think daytime tomorrow we don't get anything. Then of course we're looking at Wednesday into Thursday. I have put in some snow, perhaps a mix. That track is a little bit closer, so it's something we need to watch. At this point, we're not forecasting a significant storm, but the chance of that happening is still there. Hopefully we can keep that just off to our south. And then as we go into Friday, 45 degrees, partly cloudy skies. And if these weather models hold up, which I think they will, next weekend could have some pretty mild weather around here for this time of year. And I think it's a week from Sunday when many Eyewitness newsers are jumping into the water there at Goddard Park for the Special Olympics. So hopefully we can keep it nice and toasty for you.
Well, you know, we've been lucky the last couple of years.
We have.
So you have to work on that, Pete.
We got to keep the streak going. I'll work on it.
All right, thanks, Pete.
Yep.
We have more coverage you can count on.